Hi, it's Adele here from Digitally Yours. Sometimes you have a Word file that you have to share online. I know, Word. Never mind, don't take me there. For example, if you want to share something with the Ministry of Education portal. We can't upload files to the portal, so we need you to be able to share it online. This is what you're going to do in 3 easy steps. First of all, I have my Word file. Then I go to my Google Drive. I click on New, Step 1. File Upload, Step 2. Click on it, Step 3. And there it is, it's online. Now all I have to do is to share it with you. Ooh, I lied, there's more than 3 steps. So, I make it shareable, advanced, and anyone with the link can have it, or you can make it public on the web. And now all I have to do, Control-C, I'm sharing it, or right-click, copy, and I send it wherever I want to, and it's online. So how many steps was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'll figure it out afterwards. That's all. Hope you use it. Hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe, whichever side it is. Bye.